it's Abby in the garage, and today we're looking at the seat protector from FIA. This is a commercial grade double stitch polyester seat cover, and it is water resistant, so if you spill something, really not that big of a deal. If you've got kids or pets or anything like that, this seat cover is also really great for cleaning up messes left behind by them. You can just hand wash it and let it drip dry. The seat protector we have here in the garage is on a Ford F-150, but FIA does make it for most trucks, SUVs, and minivans. Just be sure to double check your fit before ordering. One thing to keep in mind with this installation is the Super Grip installation system allows you to have that no slip fit, so you're really not worried about it being baggy. Also, you have access to the release buckles, which allows you to take it on and off a little bit easier. We would rate this about a 5 out of 10, really not all that difficult. Took our team about an hour to do. The biggest struggle was definitely with the back seat of this Ford F-150, just getting access to that release to be able to slip it over the back of the seats. Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the seat protector from FIA. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also check out the description below for product number and description. There's also going to be a dealer locator link down there where you can find a dealer near you that would be more than happy to help you with the installation or the purchase of this product. If you liked the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. If you love it, click the bell icon so you never miss any videos that we post. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.